guys. Good morning. Update kay Rexy. She's playing on the grass, guys. Grasses. Kaya na tagay ayam dito eh. Ayan, grass. Oh, naka-pose pa. Pose. Take picture. Parang lang siyang kan. May update na naman. Update sa maligalig na si Rexy. Maligalig na si Rexy. Ang orange cat. Orange cat. That's for today, guys. Bye. Bye. Say bye, Rexy. Bye, Rexy. Kuno. Bye. Bye. Kuno.